Alright guys, we're doing another feature over at Subway. Last time we were here we got their salads. It was their sandwiches kind of in a bowl. But today we're getting real sandwiches. And we're looking at those better Italian sandwiches. We're getting close here. There's a Mazza meat and a Supreme meat. I thought that was the third one. Do you guys have, are those the only two Italian ones you got? Now, a lot of people don't know what capicola is. This guy does, and it comes on these sandwiches. That is considered, capicola is an Italian spicy ham. My mom used to make it on Christmas. Lay it out with some cheese and ham. It was beef. Where is it? Oh, is that's what it looks like right there. Right there. I haven't seen that in years. It's crazy. And he just asked if I wanted it toasted, and absolutely he's putting the provolone on there. It's gonna toast it up. It's gonna be beautiful. You got the Italian bread, you got the Italian sandwich, you got it toasted. You know, I think isn't that their slogan, eat fresh? Yeah, eat fresh is their slogan, and I truly believe it when I taste their stuff. They do a really good job. I used to not be a big Subway fan, but these really interested me. These better Italians, eat fresh, refresh. And they have so many different sandwiches. It goes on and on. How much were these sandwiches?
Like $9.79 and $9.29.
Okay, these are footlong sandwiches for under $10. Pretty good. Which one is this?
Which one is the mozza?
Mozza?
Yeah, so mozzarella cheese.
Yeah, mozzarella cheese in this one. Banana peppers. You get to put in your own whatever you want. Beautiful. Which one's this?
This one's the super meats, Italian meats.
Nice. This one I like better. I way like this one better. Which one is the mozza? With the mozzarella?
Mozzarella, yes, mozzarella.
All right, here we go. That looks beautiful. Look at that. That looks beautiful. This literally tastes like a New York deli. This does not taste like Subway. That is those Italian flavors, all that meat, all the cheese. Oh my gosh, it's really good. Hold on a minute. Which one is this now?
No, it's right here.
Which one's this? Sorry, I'm grabbing my wife's food.
I already split it.
This is the, what's the other one?
It's the super meats.
Oh, the super meats. All right. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Wow. The minute I bit it, I knew it was wonderful. It was delicious, very good. I highly recommend these sandwiches, the two Italian ones. Unbelievable. I can't even believe it came from Subway, guys. I wouldn't lie to you. I like to be honest on this show. These are way worth more than $10, but they're under $10. So anyway, grab them, tell them you saw on the show, show them some love. They did a good thing here, and it's only a limited time, I'm guessing, okay? So rush here and get it.